Hi, my name is Ran van Ongevalle. I'm a 32-year-old bartender, bar owner, father of two, and loving husband. We're in Bar Rand right now in the historical center of the beautiful city of Bruges, in my little shack of dreams, where we make drinks and serve people. I always lost my heart here and I wanted to give something back to this beautiful city. And this is the sum of like years of traveling as well and experience in the hospitality sector to open this little bar in the heart of Bruges. So the bar itself signifies all my interests in terms of cocktails, in terms of the hospitality we bring, in terms of everything, the design, the bottles. It's 100% me and my universe. My style of drinks would be minimalistic, flavor forward, and then aesthetically pleasing. We not only taste with our mouth or our nose, but we taste with our eyes as well. If a cocktail looks aesthetically pleasing, you will be more focused on having that image of the drink translated into flavor. And I think it is so important that every style of drink has its style of glassware. We work together with the Kruiderie, which is basically like a small farm just outside of Bruges, where they grow a plethora of different kinds of herbs and flowers, and it's very inspiring to walk there and to try and to smell and to taste and be inspired by those products. So basically what you get is hand-picked in the morning, processed in the afternoon, and drink at night. And like everything that was in the ground like hours before is now like processed in like this beautiful drinks and beautiful flavors, and I think that's a very beautiful magic and a beautiful touch to a drink when it's super fresh. And it was just like the first moment I put the drink in the glass, like it just made sense. Like it was almost that the drink was born for the glassware, because like the light that came in, like it's a clarified drink, it like has a nice golden hue, and serving that drink over a rock of clear ice in that beautiful aesthetic glass, just the way the light came in and everything was very pleasing. Baccarat has a beautiful history, and we need to respect that history and that tradition. And you know, we're not just gonna serve like a regular mojito. An aesthetically pleasing glass needs an aesthetically pleasing drink. So I've always known of the existence, of course, of Baccarat, but I've just came recently in contact last year by working with the glassware, and it was super inspiring to come up with new flavors that really fit into or really have a home in the glassware.